Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to get cashback using the Rakuten app for your 2025 shopping. So step 1, download and install the Rakuten app from the App Store or your Play Store, and then sign up or log in your account. Step 2, tap the search bar and find your favorite store like Walmart, Sephora, Booking.com, or Nike and many more within the app. Or you can just scroll and find these ones. Step 3, you can tap the store that you want and then click Shop Now. And this will redirect you to the official site with the cashback tracking enabled. That you can see that. Step 4, you can now shop normally as long as you completed the purchase without leaving the app, and then Rakuten will track your order. Step 5, after a few hours or days, you can check the cashback balance section under your account to confirm it's pending or posted already. Step 6, and then Rakuten sends payouts every quarter via PayPal or check, and once you reach the minimum threshold. And now, you're ready to save money with cashback on your Rakuten shopping in 2025. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.